Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee hot. To achieve a perfectly warm cup, focus on a few key steps from brewing to serving. We'll cover everything from the ideal water temperature to smart ways of keeping your coffee warm, ensuring every sip is as enjoyable as the first. Let's dive into the details and elevate your coffee experience. The ideal water temperature for brewing coffee is crucial, falling between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Water that is too hot, above 205 degrees Fahrenheit, can over-extract the coffee, leading to a bitter taste. Conversely, water below 195 degrees Fahrenheit results in under-extraction, making your coffee taste weak or sour. Using a temperature-controlled kettle or a thermometer helps you hit this sweet spot for optimal flavor extraction. Once brewed, maintaining your coffee's heat is key. Always preheat your mug by filling it with hot water for a minute or two before pouring your coffee. An insulated carafe or thermal mug is excellent for keeping coffee hot for several hours. Avoid reheating coffee in a microwave or on a hot plate, as this can lead to a burnt or stale taste. For a single cup, an electric mug warmer can be a convenient solution. For the freshest and hottest coffee, grind your beans right before brewing. Regularly cleaning your coffee maker prevents stale tastes and ensures optimal performance. Store your coffee beans in an airtight container in a cool, dry place to preserve their flavor. By following these simple steps, you can consistently enjoy a delicious, perfectly hot cup of coffee, enhancing your daily ritual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.